In this video, I'll show you how to measure a bandsaw blade accurately. Knowing the length, width, and teeth per inch of your bandsaw blade is important to know if it's the right fit for your job. Measuring a bandsaw blade's length can be challenging because of its stiffness, size, and circular shape. Be cautious when handling the bandsaw blade as it has sharp teeth. So this is how you measure the length. First, put a mark at a point inside the blade with a pen for reference. You can also use a masking tape for this. Next, take a measuring tape and lay it on a flat surface. Then align the marked point on the bandsaw with the starting end of the measuring tape. Then slowly roll the blade along the tape laid on the flat surface, ensuring it stays aligned with the measuring tape. Once a marked line completes a full revolution, note the measurement where it lands. For example, if the line lands at 75 inches, this would be the length of your bandsaw blade. So that's how we measure the length of a bandsaw blade. Now that we have the length, let's move on to measuring the width of the bandsaw blade. To measure the width, you'll need a fine measurement tool like a digital caliper. First, locate the furthest point of the teeth on the blade, not the bottom of the gullet. Measure the width starting from this furthest point of teeth and note down the measurement. Take your time and ensure the measuring tool is aligned properly for accurate results. So that's how we measure the width of a bandsaw blade. Now, we need to measure the blade's teeth per inch or TPI. To find the TPI, place one end of the measuring tool at the midpoint between two adjacent teeth. Next, adjust the jaw of the caliper to measure 1 inch. Finally, count the number of teeth that fall within that 1 inch section, and that gives you the TPI of the blade. Use a magnifying glass or a ruler with a magnifying strip to count the teeth more accurately, especially with finer TPI blades. Now you have the measurements for the length, width, and teeth per inch of your bandsaw blade. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome woodworking content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.